Morning, I am Riji, Associate Professor, Department of EC. Today we are going to see about radio access technology. On completion of this topic, students can understand the basics of radio access technologies. Radio access, what is this radio access? Radio based communication network. Modern mobile phone may support several radio access technologies in one device, such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, near field communication, 3G, 4G, LTE, and 5G. In radio access network, radio site provide radio access and coordinate source management across radio site. Devices are wirelessly connected to core network. RAN transmit the signal to various wireless endpoint and the signal travels with the traffic from the other network. Just you can see this diagram. The diagram shows clearly about radio access network. The radio access network will have a mobile phone connected to Wi-Fi or 4G LTE and connected to NR with several near field communication. That is the concept behind this radio access technology. Radio access technology is a physical connection method for radio based communication. Already I told it will connect to several Wi-Fi, GSM, UMTS, etc. It is used whether the user device is choosing between the type of RAT you connect to internet. The typical similar access point selection is IEEE 802.1 based network. The new technology used is open radio access network. It will increase the interoperability between different vendor and create more efficient. This is the radio access network. So you can see here several mobile phones are connected to the antenna and several to this. The data are stored in the database. This is the open radio access network, ORN. So the new technology will use ORAN. This ORAN technology provides open radio access network that is currently offered by telecommunication companies. But if you see traditional radio access network technology, they use the advent of cellular technology. It includes base stations that connect the connection with the sector antennas. These antennas covers a small area according to their capacity and can handle the reception and transmission of information with the small area. But if you see the physical connection method of this wireless communication network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 4G, LTE, multi or more mobile support multi-RAN. For example, cell phone can offer connect 2G, 3G, LTE network. But a cell phone use radio wave to communicate by converting voice and data into digital signal and send to radio waves. In order for our phone to connect to network, first it connect to RAN. RAN use radio transceiver to connect to the cloud. Most base stations are primarily connected to mobile core via a fiber optic link. So this is the way how we are connected. So if you are going to connect, it directly goes to your RAN. From RAN network, so we can connect. So this is the way how a multi-RAN can be connected. So you will have several millimeter wave high frequency wave with a large number of small towers and connect to this mobile phone. So from this topic, students can understand what about the 4G cellular technology. Which are the following is 2G cellular technology. GSM, LTE, WiMAX, 5G, NR, GSM. How does MIMO stands multiple input, multiple output or multiple integrated modulation output? Multiple input modulation, none of the above. So already you know. How does the term inter-RAT handover refers to? Switching between different frequency band, switching between radio access technology, switching between different user device, switching between different operators.